As I have been doing longevity research, and whenever I tell anybody about this research, generally they always ask a question: can age be reversed? In fact, this is a very important question and a very million-dollar question, I would rather say. In fact, there is a school of thought by a group of researchers who believe that aging is reversible because aging can be considered as a disease. Because most of the lifestyle diseases what we talk about, whether it is diabetes or cardiovascular disease or Alzheimer's, most of them appear along with aging. So this school of thought, this group of researchers, they are asking why you are trying to treat each of these diseases. Why not you treat aging as one disease? The moment you accept that aging is a disease, we are accepting the fact that it is curable. It can be reversed. Now, one interesting thing what I found during my research was that there is a very interesting molecule. If we can manage that molecule well, you can manage your aging properly. This molecule is called NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Maybe some of you must have been hearing about it for the first time. That's okay. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, that is NAD, is present in the cells of all the living things in the universe. It is considered as the carrier for communication inside the cell. Because you must understand that inside the cell, it's a universe. A lot of communication has to happen. A lot of proteins are being produced. A lot of activities are happening inside the cell. When the activity levels inside the cells comes down, that's the time you feel the aging process happening and you feel like you are slowing down. Now, as long as you have a steady level of NAD, the communication inside the cell will be proper. If you can maintain that NAD level proper, I'm telling you, you are actually activating something called your longevity genes. There are certain genes called SIRT genes, SIRT. They are responsible for your longevity. And they produce something called sirtuins. For this production to happen, NAD is an essential ingredient. So just imagine just one small minute molecule called NAD, how important it is in the space of longevity and longer lifespan. Now you may ask me a question that how can I maintain steady levels of NAD in my body, in my cells? Proper nutrition is the best thing. Because NAD's precursor, if you look at it, you can actually find vitamin B3. NAD's precursor is nicotinamide riboside. And before that, it is vitamin B3. As long as you are taking nutritious food which is rich in vitamin B3, you must be having adequate presence of NAD inside your cells. However, we are not sure whether we are doing it in the right way through nutrition. In that case, definitely we should go for supplementation. Supplementation related to NAD is very much essential after the age of 40 because as you age, the level of NAD comes down in your cell. That is a natural process. So focus on what you are eating. Nutrition is so critical. And also I personally for the last 2 decades, I am a strong advisor and evangelist of nutrition supplements. The right kind of supplements which suits your genes and suits your cells. What I call it as the personalized nutrition. So find out your own personalized lifestyle modification plan using a genometabolic assessment and then start your journey to stay young and live long.